Hey everyone, it's your name here with the must-know digital marketing trends for 2025. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you gotta hear this. First up, AI-driven personalization. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's transforming how we interact with customers. Imagine tailoring your content to each individual's preferences and behavior in real time. This isn't the future, it's happening now. Next, let's talk about voice search optimization. With smart speakers flying off the shelves, optimizing for voice search is a no-brainer. People speak differently than they type, so your content needs to reflect that conversational tone. Think about it. How do you ask your smart assistant a question? Now, video content. It's not optional anymore, folks. Short-form videos, especially on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, are dominating. But don't just post anything. Make sure your videos are engaging and provide real value. Influencer marketing is evolving too. Micro-influencers and nano-influencers are gaining traction. They might have smaller followings, but they often have a more engaged and loyal audience. Authenticity is the name of the game here. And don't forget about the power of data privacy. Consumers are more aware and concerned about their data than ever before. Transparency and trust are crucial. Make sure your policies are clear and that you're respecting your audience's privacy. Lastly, let's touch on sustainability. More brands are highlighting their eco-friendly practices and values. It's not just about doing good, it's also about connecting with a conscious consumer base. So there you have it. These trends are shaping the landscape of digital marketing in 2025. Stay ahead, stay informed, and keep innovating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights. Catch you in the next video.